Hello, I'm Carmelita Greco, Republican congressional candidate in Michigan's 11th District. At a time when COVID-19 has ravaged the nation with difficult circumstances and tragic losses, America's senior population has silently watched from the sidelines. Solitude has consumed their lives these last few months as executive orders have forced them to undergo this pandemic on their own. Senior care facilities have been overwhelmed with a sense of loneliness, with those residing there solely receiving visits from nurses and doctors tasked with taking care of these residents. Restrictions have also prevented them from seeing the people that matter the most. Families have been torn apart, and some will never be able to say their final goodbyes. These senior facilities were restricted access due to the vulnerability of the population, but executive orders from the governor in turn made these locations hubs to house sick COVID patients. At a moment in the nation when COVID-19 has disproportionately impacted the senior population in terms of deaths, policies implemented by our governor have solely fueled to strengthen the deadly impact of the virus on the elderly. Governor Whitmer's emergency order requires that seniors testing positive for coronavirus be placed in regional hubs in which they live alongside other seniors that have tested negative. Although there may be a separation requirement in these hubs and employees are the only one visiting patients, deaths have plagued these facilities and exposed the negligence in which our seniors are treated. Policies like this could clearly account for a higher number of deaths in our long-term care facilities, which account for 30% of the overall COVID-19 deaths in Michigan. Our seniors must be getting proper treatment, and we must focus our efforts on exposing the injustice that have furthered the negative impact of this virus on this already vulnerable population. I'm Carmelita Greco. When we see an injustice, it's important that we take a stand to protect the vulnerable among us. Let's petition the governor to change this poor policy.